boy gotta get it. They don't ask me where I'm from, they can tell by the fitted. How I spit it, how I live it. Nigga, is you kidding? This Detroit, you might end up missing. Now I think it's time that you niggas better listen. And thank God for these haters, they a blessing. Cause they the reason I keep copping all these weapons. And I ain't up, but once I pop, you get to stepping. Regardless what I reppin', no snitching allowed. And I got a gun that'll lay a fucking hater down. They call me young, nigga, I'm the truth. If a nigga wanna holler, you can meet me in the booth, cuz.
Let them hate, the boy Bells off the Ave. We can get it how you wanna get it, long as it come in cash. Tryna find a cool breezy shape like Stacey Dash, and get a cyclone, something like Baby Bash. So fresh, yays on, hammer tuck, barrel long, suede on the Air Ones, rims big as King Kong. Detroit is my home, Proof and Blade lives on. As much crack as I'm spitting, y'all can put you on. Steady moving dolo, man, Swisher Sweets pill again. I know niggas can't stand this position I'm holding, man. Flow